Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, pan-fried salmon with passion fruit and basil sauce, a dish with a European and Asian style, both delicate and bursting with flavor. How to make. Prepare ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, about 400 grams, 4 passion fruits, 5g fresh basil leaves, olive oil, sugar, salt, ground pepper, fish sauce, cornstarch, optional, fresh cream, optional. Steps. Wash the salmon, use a paper towel to dry the fish completely. Sprinkle a little salt and ground pepper evenly on both sides of the fish. Wash the basil leaves, chop or mince them lightly. Place the pan on the stove, add olive oil. Wait for the oil to heat up, place the salmon in the pan, skin side down first. Pan-fry the fish skin side down for 3 to 5 minutes over medium-high heat until the skin is crispy and the flesh turns a light pink. Flip the fish over and pan-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes depending on the thickness, or until the fish is cooked through. Remove the fish from the pan and place on a plate to keep it crispy. Make the sauce. Cut the passion fruit in half, scoop out the pulp. Strain through a sieve to get the juice, remove the seeds. Add the passion fruit juice, sugar, fish sauce and water to the pan. Bring to a boil. Slowly pour the cornstarch mixture with a little cold water into the saucepan, stirring until the sauce thickens. Taste and adjust the sweetness and sourness to your taste. Turn off the heat. Add the chopped basil leaves and stir well. If using fresh cream, add it at this step to make the sauce richer. Serve and enjoy. Place the finished pan-fried salmon on a plate. Drizzle the passion fruit basil sauce evenly over the fish or around the plate. This dish is often served with boiled vegetables such as asparagus, broccoli, green beans, and mashed potatoes for a nutritious meal. Enjoy. Serve immediately while still hot to feel the crispy skin, soft and moist fish meat, and the unique sweet and sour flavor of the sauce. Things to note: the fish must be completely dry before pan frying. This is the most important secret to crispy salmon skin. Most of the cooking time should be spent on the skin side so that it is crispy without drying out the meat. Basil. Fresh basil is very sensitive to high temperatures. Only add basil leaves to the sauce after turning off the stove or almost off the stove to retain the characteristic essential oil aroma and prevent it from turning black. Adjust the sauce. The sweet and sour taste of passion fruit will vary depending on the fruit. Taste and adjust the amount of sugar accordingly. A little fish sauce will help the sauce to be more flavorful. Use a non-stick pan or cast iron pan to pan-fry the salmon, to avoid sticking and tearing the fish skin. Salmon with passion fruit and basil sauce is a unique dish, exploiting the harmonious contrast between the fatty, nutritious taste of salmon and the fresh, sweet and sour taste of passion fruit sauce. The special highlight lies in the basil leaves, the herb that brings a warm, cool aroma, helping to perfectly balance the fatty taste of fish and the sour taste of passion fruit. This dish is not only beautiful with the golden color of the sauce and the pink-orange color of salmon, but is also an ideal choice for romantic dinners or when you want to enjoy a healthy but still impressive meal. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this recipe is useful, and don't forget to click subscribe to watch the next delicious dishes. Goodbye and see you in the next video.